Hello.
Hi!
Welcome back to our story time. We are.
Once upon a snore.
That's right. Once Upon a Snore presented by Choky and Mom. A mom and daughter team bringing you stories every week.
If you enjoy our story time, please like and subscribe to our channel.
That's right, guys. Please don't forget to do that. So, today we have a story about this little shy guy. He's so shy. Why is he shy? Would you know, Choky?
No, I don't think so.
You don't. So let's jump into the story and see why. Too Shy for Show and Tell by Beth Bracken. Sam was a quiet boy. Nobody knew much about him. Sam loved trucks, but nobody knew that. Sam's favorite food was chocolate cake, but nobody knew that. Sam thought dogs were the best animals in the world, but nobody knew that either. The only thing that people knew about Sam was that he didn't talk much. And Sam really didn't like talking in front of people, which is why Sam hated show and tell. Yeah, on Wednesday, Miss Emily told the class that show and tell would be on Friday. Sam spent most of Thursday worrying. He had
Oh,
a great thing to bring for show and tell, but he was scared.
why is that?
Well, no. So on Friday, Sam didn't get out of bed. He said, My tummy hurts. He lied. You're fine, and you need to go to school today, his mom said. At school, Sam told Miss Emily he'd forgotten about show and tell. I didn't bring anything, he said. But that wasn't true. His perfect show and tell thing was in his backpack.
Really?
Yep, that's okay, Miss Emily said. You can just tell the class about that thing you forgot at home.
Okay.
Sam was terrified. He didn't want to talk in front of people. The thought of it made his tummy hurt really, really bad. He imagined that he'd say something dumb, or that he'd mess up words, or that he'd faint, or that he'd cry. Sam watched the other kids show their show and tell things. David showed some socks that his grandma had knitted for him. Everyone clapped when he was done.
Oh,
Helena showed a new doll she had got for her birthday. Everyone clapped when she was done. Otto showed a cool leaf that he had found on the way to school. Otto said "weef" instead of leaf, but nobody seemed to notice, and everyone clapped when he was done. Then it was Sam's turn. He got his perfect show and tell thing out of his backpack and went to the front of the room.
okay.
What do you have to show us today, Sam? Miss Emily asked with a smile. Sam took a deep breath. He looked out at his classmates. They were quietly waiting. Sam held out his picture. This is my new dog, he said. I named him Chocolate because that's my favorite kind of cake. And he's the color of chocolate cake. Sam didn't faint, he didn't throw up, he didn't cry, and no one laughed. Instead, everyone clapped when he was done. Now, everyone in class knew a little bit more about Sam. Next time he thought, I'll bring my biggest truck. The
Oh,
end.
I think he was brave now. He's like, oh, it's nothing. It's Just talking. If you just close your eyes, you won't feel anything.
That's right. Did you like it though?
Yeah,
Sure. Like you said, Choki, this story is all about how this little guy was shy and was really scared to come and stand in front of the class and present his thing. But if you don't try, how will you know if it works out or
yeah.
not? So, what the story is saying is you should always try. Never be scared. Even if it's the silliest and the smallest thing, you have to come up and talk about it when you're given a chance. That way, the fear that you have will just disappear. So they always say you should face your fears. If you face your fears will run away. You know that?
Really?
Yep,
Oh. So I think that's what we learned in the story.
that's right, sweetie. All right, so that's it for now, guys. I hope you liked our session, like always. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, Choky and Mom are signing off. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.